Hello everyone, so we are back with Leetcode daily challenge. In today's problem we need to count the matches in a tournament. So as in the question given below, we will be given with an integer n which shows the initial number of teams in the tournament, and there are some rules in this tournament. First of all, if n is even, like if n is even number for any round, then n by 2 matches are done, like a group of 2 teams are made and n by 2 matches are done, and further the winners from each match, like n by 2 winners, will proceed further in the next round, right? So this is the first condition. The another condition, second condition, is when n is odd. In case of n is odd, one random team is seeded into the next round. So in terms of game, this concept is called seeding. So one team is like randomly advances in the next round of the tournament, and the remaining n minus 1 teams, it will be an even number, right? If you are subtracting 1 from an odd number, the remaining n minus 1 teams, which is an even number, they are played together, and n minus 1 by 2 teams are proceed further. So this n minus 2 teams and this one random team, they proceed further into the next round. So this is the question. It is very much easy question. We just need to follow the instructions to solve this question. So I'm writing the pseudocode directly. What we will do, we will iterate over the n, like whether n is greater than 0 or not, and we will check, like we are following the same instruction, whether n is even or odd. So we will check whether n equals to even. In case of even, what we will do, we will keep a answer variable like total number of matches set to 0. We will just update the matches plus equals to n by 2, because when n is even, the number of matches will be n by 2, right? And how many teams will proceed further into the next round? It will be n by 2. So we update the matches and we update the n variable. In case of n equals to odd, what we will do, in case of odd, the question says that we will make one random team to proceed further into the next round. So to keep a track of that data, like we will have another variable called carry. It will be set to 0. We will set the carry to 1, like for the next round the carry will be 1, and we will then update the matches as like plus equals to n minus 1 by 2. The matches are updated, and similarly the n will be updated also, n minus 1 by 2, right? I hope it is clear. We are subtracting one team from that number n, and then the matches will be n minus 1, which will be an even number divided by 2, and similarly we are setting n as n minus 1 divided by 2, right? So how can we use this carry, right? So before checking whether n is even or not, in the starting of the round, what we need to do, we need to just update our n by carry, like we will add the n, we will add the carry to our n, right? So initially we will add the carry, and that will make n even or odd. So after adding the carry, we will get the we will check whether n is even or odd. Or initially the carry will set to 0. So for the first round, when carry is added to n, the 0 will be added. So here we are checking, we are adding carry as 1, but in case of even condition, we have to also keep carry as 0, else the carry 1 will be propagated into the even condition also. So we will set carry as 0 in the event check. So this is very much simple solution. Let us try to code this solution in Leetcode. Yeah, so first of all, what we will do, we will take some variables like the total answer as match, and we will set to 0, mat, total number of matches, and we will set to 0. We will take the carry variable and we will set to 0. Now we will check using while loop whether n is greater than 0 or not. Before checking, what we will need to do, we will set, like we will add the carry to n, right? Carry from the previous round, and now we will check whether n is even or not. So if n percent 2 equals to 0, this means n is even, right? In case of even, what will be the carry? Carry will be 0. The matches will be updated as n divided by 2. Similarly the n will be updated as n divided by 2, right? Yeah, what the next condition will be the condition for the odd number of teams. In that case, the carry will be 1 for the next round. The matches will be n minus 1 divided by 2, because we have subtracted one team from the n and divided by 2. Similarly the n will be n minus 1 divided by 2, n minus 1 divided by 2, right? So this is a simple solution. Let us try to return matches, and let us try to run this code. Yeah, it works fine. Let us try to submit this code. Yeah, I hope the solution is clear. It is very much easy question. Thank you for watching.